Hypothetical happenings. Mastering the what if in English. Hello, English language explorers. Today we're diving into a unique and exciting part of conversational English: hypothetical questions. More specifically, we'll delve into the realm of what if scenarios. This powerful question format can help you express curiosity, speculate about different possibilities, or even make plans. So, are you ready to unlock this new skill? Let's get started. What if questions are a type of hypothetical question used to imagine a situation that is different from the current reality. They allow us to speculate and discuss potential outcomes, whether they're realistic or purely imaginative. By using what if, you can explore endless possibilities and engage in stimulating conversations. Example: what if it rains tomorrow? What if I won the lottery? In English, what if questions have a simple structure. They start with the words, what if, followed by a subject and then a verb. The subject can be a noun, like a person, place, or thing, or a pronoun, like I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. The verb can be in the present simple, past simple, or future forms. Examples: what if you lose your keys? Present simple: what if we went to the beach tomorrow? Past simple: what if they will arrive late? Future. Responding to what if questions can be just as creative and varied as the questions themselves. You can answer by stating a possible consequence or reaction to the hypothetical situation. Sometimes, these answers can also be followed by reasons or explanations. Examples: what if we miss the train? We'll have to take a taxi. What if I don't finish my project on time? You might get a lower grade. Mastering the use of what if questions in English can greatly improve your conversational skills. It opens up a world of possibilities, fosters creativity, and helps you engage in deeper and more meaningful conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using what if in your daily English conversations. We hope this video was helpful and look forward to helping you on your English learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English.